This is week 11, and I have already uploaded material on check constraints and triggers. However, I have also provided material on security part 1, because more material will follow on security. It's a very simple material. I have not provided any written assignment, but I want you to work with this, as I'm going to do now here. There are two levels of security concerning SQL Server database. In other words, in order to reach the database, which is stored on the hard disk, we have the first level, which is the operating system security. We have to access Windows, Mac OS, Unix, Linux to provide password. Then we go to the level of SQL Server, where again we have to provide password, and we are here now in this environment. After we log in here, SQL Server level, we have the ability, using some specific system procedures, to add users, provide passwords, to drop login users, to change passwords, and so on. Okay, let me start with some of this. You will find the part 1 uploaded. Now, let's create a new user with a password. We are going to use a system procedure. Okay, so new query. Oops. Okay, right. So, system procedure, add login, space, then single quote, provide the name of the user, Peter, okay, single quote, comma, then you provide the password, XXYY, ZZ, okay, single quote, comma, and then you provide, using single quote, the name of the database. Okay, let's say that we want to add this user to the database motor vehicle insurance. Okay, all right, that's it, we finished. Right, so I select that one, and then I will execute this system procedure. Execute. Incorrect syntax. Motor vehicle insurance. Yes, I have forgotten to end with a single quote. That will be fine now. Execute. So the command completes successfully. That means a new user with a user ID Peter, password XXYYZZ, that one, for the database motor vehicle insurance has been created. Okay then, now what we can do now, we can see if that actually works. Okay, so let's say you have created more users, and we want to see all the login users. So you write select everything from sys.sql underscore logins. Okay, enter, and then we'll execute that one. Select and execute. So I have this table. Here we see the new user we created, and then we see all the information, when that was created, the password here, what is the database name, motor vehicle insurance database, and the password at the end, which has been hashed for security reasons. Okay, it is at the end here, password hashed here. Okay, all right. So Now, I want to emphasize one important thing. Now, this feature, SP Add Login, from the reports we have from Microsoft, will be removed. And this feature will be replaced by the command create login. Okay. Now I want to work with SP add login and create login. It's very simple. You provide again Peter, the name of the password and the name of the database. Okay. Now, in order to delete the user we have created, you are going to use the SP drop login. So if you go here and you write SP drop login and then the name of the user, and then we select that one, and we execute. Command complete successfully, so we don't have the user anymore. Let's see if actually has worked. Select asterisk from SysSQL logins. Yes, indeed, it has been removed from this table, from security table. Okay, this is for part one. I'm going to work with what I have provided for security part one, and we will talk again with part two and so on. Thank you.